Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can copy or move documents in or out of the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here open up the secure folder. Then tap on the more button. Next, tap on Add Files. This is to allow you moving documents into the secure folder. So here we're going to tap on Documents. Next, choose the location of where you have your documents. So I'm going to tap on Download. In here I have 4 documents. These are test documents only. So you can select one or multiple documents. So select the documents that you want to move. Then tap on Done. Next, you will have the option to copy or move. So decide which option that you want to use. So here I'm going to choose copy. And that's it. The files are now copied to your My Files in the secure folder. So in here I have 4 files. If I go to documents, you can see I have 4 files here. And outside I also have 4 files. In here, if I go to my secure folder, let's say if I delete the 2 files, you can see back here the files are still there. So that's just to show the files has been successfully moved to my secure folder. Now if you want to move it out of the secure folder, all you have to do is simply select the files, touch and hold, and then select the files that you want to move. Next, tap on the more button and then tap on Move Out of Secure Folder. And that's it. You can see the documents now has been moved out of the secure folder. And if we go back into My Files, so we go back into My Files, you can see when the documents have been moved out of the secure folder, if the files already exist, it will try to create a new copy with an additional extension, number 1, and then number 2 and 3 and so on and so forth. And that's it. So that is how you can move it out of the secure folder. And again, copy is very similar. You can move or copy. So in here, if I go into my secure folder, and here I'm going to choose Add Files, and then tap on Documents, Downloads. I can select them all and then tap on Done. I can move them into my secure folder, and that will move the selected documents into the secure folder. So if I go back to My Files outside of the secure folder, then yeah, you can see the old host file has been moved and removed from the actual secure from the My Files. Now the ways you can tell whether you are using an application inside a secure folder or not is by the lock icons. You can see in the My File apps there is a lock right there. That is to indicate that you are now using a folder within the secure folder. So anything that has a lock on it, that is to indicate you are now using an application that is within the secure folder. And there it is. You can see the difference between the two, one with a lock and one without a lock on the icon. And that's it. That is how you can copy or move documents in and out of the secure folder. Now if you are opening up your My Files application, so in here I'm going to go to My Files, and if you have a document, what you can also do is simply touch and hold into that. So for example, I'm going to select this file right here. And what you can do is tap on More. So directly from My Files application, you can tap on More and then tap on Move to Secure Folder. So this is another way how you can move documents to the secure folder. This is just an additional method. It is more convenient. If you're already on the app, you can just simply use the shortcut to move it to the secure folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any issues, please leave a comment.